Welcome to our channel. Activating your USAA Payroll card through the mobile app is convenient and secure. Step 1. Download the USAA mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Open the app and log in with your USAA member number and password. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account first. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section from the main menu. Step 4. Look for your new payroll card in the list of accounts and select it to view details. Step 5. Find the Activate Card option, which may be displayed as a button or link on the card details screen. Step 6. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity. You may need to provide the last 4 digits of your social security number or date of birth. Step 7. Enter the card number if requested. The 16-digit number is embossed on the front of your payroll card. Step 8. Create a 4-digit PIN when prompted. Choose a number you'll remember, but others cannot easily guess. Step 9. Confirm your PIN by entering it a second time to ensure accuracy. Step 10. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your payroll card has been successfully activated. Your USAA payroll card is now ready to use for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Keep your PIN confidential at all times. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.